Hello, this is Bruce Sullivan with Sullivan Roof Cleaning out of Des Moines, Iowa. This is a project I took on up in Charles City, Iowa, to help the homeowner try to save the roof on this garage. And if you first look at this roof, you'd think there is no way you could possibly save the Cedar Shake roof. But I use the non-pressure process where I don't walk on the roof, or I don't use a pressure washer. I do everything from a ladder, and I use a garden hose to rinse it. So I'm going to give you a little closer view of this roof so you can get an idea of just what shape it presently was in when we first got there to go ahead and do this. And as you can see, there's a lot of moss, a lot of algae underneath there. They even had a rose bush growing out of it. It's in pretty rough shape. So I'm going to continue on here and show you just what came off of that roof. And then I'm also going to show you what the roof looked like once I got all this moss off of it, and I went ahead and did some patching because we had to do some patching on here. Obviously some of the shakes were rotten. I'll be right back. As I said, I'd go ahead and show you what actually came off of this roof, and this is it. This is all the moss and the rotten shingles that came off that roof when I actually cleaned it. And I'll go through here and show you a little bit more video of it, and then I'm actually going to go up from this pile of debris that came off that roof and show you what the roof looks like now once I went ahead and replaced a lot of the rotten shingles. As you can see, I cleaned this thing up pretty nice and restored it and actually saved it and preserved it. So this will extend the life of this roof for quite a few years to come. So I'll show you a before and after picture here and my contact. Thank you. Well, here is the before and here is the after. Like I said, I'd show you, and that's the results we got. This is my contact information up here. You can call or text me, or you can also email me, which is good. I do service all of the Midwest, so that's Bruce Sullivan, Sullivan Roof Cleaning, with our non-pressure process where we don't walk on the roof and we don't use a pressure washer. So feel free to contact me to come out and extend the life of your roof for many years to come. This will give you a good example of what can be done, and I'm quite sure your roof probably doesn't look this bad, but it can be done. And that's Bruce Sullivan, Sullivan Roof Cleaning, Des Moines, Iowa. Thank you.